finish getting organized.
Yeah. Well, everybody that's
here.
here.
We got a long journey.
Hi! Oh my goodness, hi! What's she doing?
Finishing off the formula.
Oh, there's some milk.
I think I should have formula every 3 hours too.
Yeah.
Yeah, why just the little ones get that? Hey, you have to be tiny.
Come on. Janice, child. I wanted to.
See how fat Tina looks?
I do. I wanted to film Janice, but she saw me. It was all over. She's over here wiggling. Oh.
You can't get rid of me so easily. Oh, she's funny.
Oh, she's cute.
Look at Tina. She's getting all that formula is kicking in.
Oh, yeah.
Tina. He's so cute. She got into the water earlier.
Oh, she's a water dog.
Yeah, there she goes.
This is cool stuff.
She may be a little bit, boy, she's smart.
She's adorable.
She
She's
really
a thinker.
is. She is.
Oh, they're funny.
Oh my. I'm going to eat this.
Yesterday she dragged the water dish around in here.
She's just tiny. She's not dull. Tina, does that taste good? Okay, I can't film you, child.
Puppy, puppy, puppy. Pup, 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 pup.
Where's the toy?
Whoa.
Get you running. Hi.
What, are you a
Yay.
Which one barked earlier?
It was her. She
It was a loud, startling bark, too. Yes, it was.
Oh, there's Joss. There's Joss. You headed my way with purpose, Joss. Oh no, they all haven't headed my way. Yikes.
The whole herd.
I have 4.
This is tired.
We're gonna wash
She's
my
not gonna
leg.
start up. She's not gonna wake up for anybody.
That's Martina.
I'm just too tired.
Ow! You bit me.